Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Steps tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to view and manage responses from your Google form. If you've already created a form and shared it with others, this video will show you exactly where to find all the answers. First, open Google Forms and select the form you created. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs: Questions, Responses, and Settings. Click on the Responses tab. Here, you'll find a quick summary of all the answers your respondents submitted. You can view responses in 3 ways. 1. Summary View shows graphs and charts for multiple choice and checkbox questions. 2. Question View lets you see all answers for one question at a time. 3. Individual View shows one person's response at a time, great for reviewing submissions one by one. If you want to see all responses in a spreadsheet, click the green Google Sheets icon at the top. This will open a connected spreadsheet where every response is stored automatically, including timestamps. Any new submissions will appear instantly in that sheet. You can also download all responses as a CSV file and print them, and that's it. You now know how to view, organize, and analyze your Google Form responses easily. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to learn next.